Nestled in the hills above Glenwood Springs, this 5-bedroom home with more than 4,000 square feet.
This is truly a paradise in the mountains.
Sitting on 8.3 acres, the property borders BLM land with hiking trails right out your back door.
Another feature of this property is you own part of 4 Mile Creek. So you can wander down there, sit by the fire, enjoy the water, and really relax down at the creek.
Inside, 3 levels of cozy mountain living, from the spacious master suite to the gourmet kitchen with breakfast bar to the lower level media and game room.
You'll love the floor plan here. There's tons of natural light, and everything was positioned so you have views out of every window.
This custom home also has private guest quarters over the garage, along with plenty of flex space so you can customize it to fit your needs. And thanks to the premier location, you get the best of both worlds.
You're about 5 or 10 minutes from Glenwood Springs, and you're about 10 or 15 minutes to Sunlight Mountain Resort, yet you have all this wonderful privacy while you're at home. Give me a call and come experience true Colorado living.